Do you want to know how to transfer Square Heroes ProRes to another device? If you're wondering how to do it, stay in this video because you're going to find out how to do it. Well, the first thing we have to do, well, we have to go to the Square Hero app, okay, with the mobile in which we have the account we want to transfer to another device, okay? The first thing we have to do is go to the application and, for example, if we want to transfer this account to another, so we have to go to the bottom where we have our navigation menu and we need to go to the little wheel, okay, to settings, and once we're here we can modify the audio, music, language and get more options. Well, we have to go to the bottom again where we have these buttons, okay, then we have to go to the go button of information, and once we're here, well, we're going to go manage devices, but this with the phone we have on the account, we want to move to the other side, to another phone. Okay, then let's manage devices, and here, then we will have to generate a code. It will tell us here generates a code, so we'll have to go there, and with the other mobile with which we want to pass the account, this we need to go to the other profile link button, and here we need to enter the code. I'm saying that we have put here that we have here the HG, X and Y. Okay, then we put it here and we would have the progress passed on the other phone. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment in the comments. Goodbye.